morning everyone. My name is Amada and I work as manufacturing engineer in Schneider Electric for Pieve di Cento plant. This site operates in the emergency lighting field, and here we manage all the phases of the development of a new product, from the design to the launch on the market. But what does a manufacturing engineer do here? Let's discover it together. I work in the industrialization team and I represent its interface with the project management team. So, when a new product is developed, our challenge is to design and implement manufacturing processes in order to meet customer expectations and at the same time guarantee efficiency in the production flow. Having research and development department in our site gives us the possibility to collaborate with them in the design of the new products, also considering the industrial impact. After selecting and implementing new machineries and tools, we check the first production of the new product together with all the members of the project team in order to give the green light for the selling phase. The industrial market is continuously developing and at the same time internal needs are changing, so it's important to carry on an industrial plan for the next years. In working on the industrial plan, we consider different drivers such as capacity, industrial resilience, sustainability, digitalization and quality fundamentals. This is our first semi-automatic line in the assembly department, which allowed us to increase the internal capacity, but also improve the efficiency and quality thanks to the interconnection of the different machines. At the same time, it was possible to remove plastic labels from the products thanks to a new laser marking system. By working in Schneider Electric in roles like mine, you will have the possibility to lead digital transformation, integrating the best technologies in manufacturing processes, do networking and learn every day from new challenges. Would you like to join us? Have a look at our career page and check for open positions.